So now let's go through today's economic applications question paper. Okay, so the answers are highlighted in green, you can check it. Okay, so let's start. Number 1, the answer is B, tea and coffee. Question number 2, the answer is A, the price of product increases. Okay, question number 3, the answer is C, it is a man-made factor of production. Question number 4, the answer is B, that is 0. I'll scroll the question paper slowly, okay, so that you can read the paper also, read the questions. Then question number 5, geographical representation of total demand in an economy is a B, the market demand curve. And question number 6, the quantity of commodity which a seller is ready to offer for sale at a given price and at a given time. This defines supply, that is C. Question number 7, mobilization of saving is an important step in capital formation. Question number 8, which of the following used in the production of textile by a firm would be classified as land in economics? The answer is D, water tank from a nearby river. Number 9, which of the following will affect the productivity of land adversely? The answer is lack of government support. Then question number 10, pick the option which does not belong to the group. The answer is B. Then question number 11, emission of greenhouse gas is largely due to urbanization. Question number 12, which one of the following is not found in a perfectly competitive market? The answer is D, advertising by individual firms. Then question number 13, efficiency of Indian labor is low because of hot and enervating tropical climate. Okay, A. Question number 14, which of the following is not a reason for deforestation? The answer is B, soil erosion. Then question number 15, when an entrepreneur introduces a new technique or a new product, it is called innovation. Number 16, products sold by each firm in a perfectly competitive market are perfect substitutes of each other. Answer is true. All factors of production are equally mobile. False. A laborer's income can be negative. False. Individual demand is a demand by a single buyer. Answer is true. Number 20, sunshine is considered land in economics. True. Number 21, pick the option which does not belong to a group. The answer is income of a consumer. Income of the consumer. Number 22, which of the following market types has the fewest number of firms? The answer is monopoly. Then number 23, good X and Y are complements when they are used together to satisfy a want. '24, which of these factors of production is called produced means of production? Answer is capital. Question number 25, when the price increases by 50% and the supply increases only by 5%, the price elasticity of supply of that commodity will be C. Okay, ES is lesser than 1. Okay, this is the one. 26. Which of these is not an assumption of law of demand? The answer is D. Number of firms supplying the commodity does not change. 27. The income of an entrepreneur is residual. Then number 28. Number 28, the answer is C. Income increases. If a good is an inferior good, then purchase of that good will decrease when income increases. 29. Which of the following statement is not a necessary condition for division of labor? The answer is C. The government policy should support division of labor. Then question number 30. You can read, the price of Y falls from 8 rupees to 6 rupees. The quantity of demanded increases. The quantity demanded increases from 100 unit to 125 unit. The price elasticity of demand will be C. That is 1. Then number 31. Number 31, you can see the diagram. The answer of this diagram is A. S1 relatively elastic, S2 relatively inelastic. Then 32. Identify the market for seller A. Form for seller A on the basis of following information. You can see C. Perfectly competitive market is the correct answer. (33) Identify the active factors of production. Answer is entrepreneur, labor. B is the correct answer. (34) What does the graph below indicate? The graph below indicate increase in demand. (35) The demand for a good X increases when the price of its substitute dash or when the price of its complements dash. The answer is rises and falls. 2 blanks are given, so on the first blank rises and then second blank you have to write false. Okay, and let us move on to 36. Which of the following statement is true? Number C. Labor carries with it an element of judgment or intelligence. Question number 37. A. Circulating fixed. Then 38. The law of demand shows the relationship between price and quantity demanded. Question number 39. Imperfect knowledge is a characteristic features of monopoly and monopolistic competition. Okay, then 40. The law of supply states that other things being constant, when the price falls, quantity supplied falls. The transformation of resources into economic goods and services is called production. Number 42. Interest is a payment for use of capital. Use of capital. Okay, use of capital is done. Then 43. When an entrepreneur appoints managers and supervisors, which function is he performing? Answer is C. Delegation. Number 44. If the price elasticity of supply is 1 and the percentage change in the price is 10, then the percentage change in quantity supplied should be 10. A is the correct answer. 45. Price elasticity of demand measures C, the responsiveness of demand to the change in price. Now 46, you have to read the extract and then answer it. Indian Railway is an example of monopoly. Then number 2, the practice of charging different prices from different consumer is called price discrimination. Above practice is possible because in such a type of market he has no competitors. Number 4, entry of new forms into this type of market is restricted. Number 5, charging different prices from different consumer is a disadvantageous because consumer is advantageous because it will benefit the weaker and the poorer sections of the society. So this is the end of today's question paper. So hope you all have done properly. Okay, so now you must focus on rest of the exams, remaining exams. All the best for your future exams. Please take care of yourself, stay safe, take care, bye bye.